In today's video, I'll show you on how you can completely uninstall FiveM step by step. So first things first, you want to head over to your Windows icon. It's going to be this button right here. And then you want to type add or remove programs. Inside this page, you can simply look for FiveM, or you can just type FiveM on the search bar. In here, you want to click on it and click on uninstall. Click on yes, and then it will completely uninstall FiveM from our computer. If I type FiveM right here, it will not show up anymore. Now, basically with this one, it will search the entire computer for file names like FiveM, and then right now, since we already uninstalled FiveM, it could not completely detect it. And so, in that way, you have completely uninstalled FiveM step by step. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.